Tired of projector drama? The Kodak Flik X20 delivers instant 100-inch cinema without the setup headaches. Ever rush to start movie night, hit play, then spend the next 20 minutes on your knees twisting focus rings while the image stays blurry and crooked and everyone's excitement dies? I've been there. Guests staring at the ceiling, kids whining, me sweating. Total mood killer. Comment the word pain below if that frustration just hit home. That knot in your stomach when plans fall apart because the gear fights you harder than life already does? Another weekend stuck on a tiny television. Another memory that could have been epic reduced to good enough. Imagine never feeling that sting again, never watching dreams shrink because setup stole the magic. Comment dreamed if you're exhausted from settling. Then I accidentally discovered the Kodak Flik X20 Complete Kit, and everything changed in seconds. Don't just pick any projector. Make sure it has true one-touch autofocus and plus or minus 40-degree auto keystone, so you never experience blurry, crooked, embarrassing images again. The Kodak Flik X20 nails it. Power on, perfect rectangle, razor-sharp focus, zero touching. Built-in Google Television fires up Netflix, Disney+, YouTube instantly. Native 1920 by 1080 resolution HDR10 delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks that make you forget you're not in a theater. And because it's the complete kit, 100-inch screen, tripod, padded EVA case, braided HDMI cable, everything's ready out of the box. Last weekend, my buddy grabbed it for his daughter's birthday when the television died. Plugged it in, auto-perfected the image on the wall in 12 seconds. Kids screamed with joy as Encanto started. No stress, pure magic. You deserve that every single time. Comment wow if you want that feeling tonight. This isn't a honeymoon phase. It's the new normal. 6 months in, my Flik X20 still autofocuses perfectly every single time. Colors still pop. LED engine hasn't dimmed. Thousands of hours left, and dust-proof sealed optics mean it stays stunning for years. My tech reviewer friend Mike told me straight, I've tested $1,500 projectors that make you work harder than this Kodak does at a fraction of the price. The kit alone saves you $300 in accessories and headaches. And Renata, a mom I know, laughed on the phone last week. We use it 3 nights a week. Kids set it up themselves now. Tripod, screen, case, everything lives together. I never worry about breaking it or forgetting pieces. It just works every time. People worry projectors are complicated or you'll need a PhD to move them. Wrong. The Flik X20 is easier than your television remote. Some think, will it stay this good? 30,000-hour LED and sealed engines say yes louder than I ever could. Families, gamers, creators are switching daily and never going back. Comment 1 for instant perfect setup, 2 for complete zero missing pieces kit, or 3 for jaw-dropping 1920 by 1080 resolution HDR picture. Which one do you want most starting tonight? You've waited long enough for movie nights that actually feel like magic. The Kodak Flik X20 Complete Kit is the smart, once-and-done upgrade that gives you peace, performance, and memories worth repeating. Thousands of families, creators, and regular people like us have already made the switch and never looked back. Click the link in the description or pinned comment right now. Grab yours and step into that massive screen, zero-stress life today. You're going to wonder how you ever lived without it.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.